Hey, Ty here. How's it going? So the first thing you need to do, of course, is take the script on GitHub, and after that, open your mission folder, like I'm showing here. Take the folder CSWR for your mission, copy the content, drop in your mission folder, and that's it. You have the CSWR in your mission. So the next step is to take the system select icon like this, set in the map exactly where you want your faction spawn. It's important you follow this naming rules to the script. Find the icon and start to drop the AI over there. So you need always to set a destination for the AI. So here I will set the public one. Public type, all factions can travel to that marker. So Control C, Control V, just a copy paste. Let's put another one. And you have 3 possible destinations for the army that will be spawned. So let's deactivate the op4. Let's just for this example, let's leave just the blue 4 spawning through the CSWR script. Open the management file, and right on the top you can find the CSWR is op4 on. So let's make the op4 false. For this case, we are making sure that the script will just spawn the blue 4. Okay, save the file, minimize it, and let's set a player in this example just for we have a point of view when the script start to make the things happen. Okay, let's save it and run. Always like a multiplayer game. Okay, so now we are watching the default population of blue 4 spawning. You can see some vehicles spawning with the soldiers. Of course, you have the advanced options where you can set just the spawn points for vehicles, spawn points for soldiers, parachuters, and this kind of things. Even helicopters. But here is just one spawn point for some vehicles and soldiers. But let's say that you want more spawn point options. So I just copy and paste that spawn point that already exists, and I create 2 more options. You can check the options names, is everything is right. I save it, and let's run again. Now the script will distribute the population through the options, the spawn point options to this faction, the blue 4. You can check some vehicles already spawned, and right now we can see soldiers through the 3 options. Guess what? Let's include, why not, a spawn point for the enemy. So in CSWR you can drop spawn points for everyone that you want, including civilians and independent factions, of course. So here I will set up for spawn point, and the color is just cosmetic to make the things visible easier to identify what you seeing. So here I put 3 options as the blue for have, and let me take this public destinations here to the center to make the things a little bit more fair for the enemy too. Save it, and let's first in the management file we need to turn on to the script spawn the op4 as well. So here let's put true, and that's it. Okay, we can hear the blue 4 spawning. This blue 4 soldiers there, and here. And what about the op 4? If you put our attention in the horizon, we can find the op 4 spawning, like that vehicle, soldiers around the main road, and here in the right you can see a enemy soldier and vehicle, and that's it. It started the clashes. So I hope you enjoyed and you already learned how to make your spawn points, and always check the documentation for more options.